after getting interim relief from the Karnataka High Court, B.S. Yedurappa has now landed in Bengaluru. Let me take that question and information more from Neha, who is joining us live. Neha, good afternoon. There were certain reports when it comes to the whereabouts of B.S. Yedurappa. The team also there was in Delhi, but now after getting interim relief, he is now returned to Bangalore.
Well, Amita, that's right. Of course, we're seeing the BJP veteran here having landed in Bengaluru. We were, of course, told earlier that he was in Delhi. And, shortly after the court, of course, has granted him that interim temporary relief over there. And a big one at that. We're seeing that, he's all set to be...
ಅನಾವಶ್ಯಕವಾಗಿ ಗೊಂದಲ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಕೆಲವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಯಾರು ನಾನು ದೂರಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾಸ್ತವಿಕ ಸಂಗತಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ಸರ್, ಇದು ಉದ್ದೇಶಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರವನ್ನ
ನಾನೀಗ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೂ ದೂರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಲವೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಸ್ತವಿಕ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಏನಂತ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಈ ತರ ಕುತಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ತಕ್ಕ ಪಾಠ ಜನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
ತಿಂಗಳ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ
ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ.
Well, in fact, of course, that was the BJP veteran there at the Bangalore airport going on to, suggest that, of course, that, time will reveal the truth in all of this. He's also further on the allegations when he was asked about, vendetta politics being played here. He said that he would refrain from commenting on that. But for all of those who've hatched this conspiracy now, that the people of Karnataka would, in fact, teach them a lesson. Remember, this is very imperative now because the first person that spoke about this vendetta politics was his son, BJP MP B.Y. Raghavendra, there going on to suggest that, this is nothing but a political conspiracy, vendetta politics being played owing to the poor performance of the Congress party in the state of Karnataka in the Lok Sabha elections. And that's precisely why, they're, of course, that is seeking revenge here. Imperative now to mention that when he was asked specifically about this charge of the vendetta politics, he said that, the people of Karnataka would, of course, be very well aware of the situation at hand right now and that they would teach a lesson to all of those who are responsible for hatching this conspiracy. Of course, it really remains to be seen right now. We're also told that BSY would be returning home very shortly now. He's on his way from the airport. We'll try and seek one response from him also. He's further gone on to add that he would be appearing before the investigating agencies there on Monday the 17th. He had earlier communicated that through a letter also to the investigating agencies while he was summoned, and now we're picking up that of course he is going to cooperate with the agencies. This is very important because this was the premise, this was the ground on which his advocate yesterday, C.V. Nagesh, had argued in court saying that he's not someone who's going to abscond, he's not someone who's going to run away, he's a former chief minister and a very respected one at that, and the fact that, he is, of course, he did appear for the previous hearing as well. He did, of course, appear for the previous investigation when he was summoned.
So live pictures that are now coming in that at the Bengaluru airport that when it comes to B.S. Yedurappa that he is landed there, and of course he's been saying and calling it as a conspiracy against him. It's not just him, also when it comes to the leaders from the BJP and from the JDS as well.